So I got this big Dodge diesel here. This belongs to my tow driver. So it's one of his trucks that he used in his tow business. He called me a few days ago and said he can smell coolant, and he wanted to drop it off. So I told him go ahead and drop it off. So he dropped it off yesterday, and so we're taking a look at it today. Excuse me. We're going to diagnose the source of the coolant leak, but we're going to use a Harbor Freight Pittsburgh tool diagnosing this. So hopefully this proves that Pittsburgh tools can be used in a professional environment for half the cost. Obviously, I don't support or endorse or vouch for every last tool inside Harbor Freight. That's ridiculous. I know better than that. But they do have some gems there and some tools that will get the job done just the same, including this radiator pressure test kit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it over here, and I'm going to show you can use this to diagnose a coolant leak on a Dodge diesel. So let's go check it out. All right, so let's get this diesel diagnosed. I'm going to show you guys how we could use this Harbor Freight kit, which is a credit to Harbor Freight in many ways. So let's take a look here and see what we got. This is the kit and everything that's in the kit. Let's get the radiator cap off. Got a little reservoir jug with a hose that I'm gonna pinch off. Pinch that off. So looking around here, I can see that there's likely no adapters for this. That's not gonna fit. That's not gonna fit. All these are screw-on types, so we can't use none of these. But here's the cool thing about this kit. It's got a universal adapter. So we're gonna use this universal adapter. Show you how this works. Basically just put it on, screw it on counterclockwise, get this little contraption set up. Alright, looks like it's on. A little universal thingy. It just hooks under the radiator like that and keeps pressure on this part right here on the adapter. So we can pump some pressure in there. So I'll put about 15 in there. Alright, so you can see we got about 17 pounds in there. And so we'll let a little bit out. So got about 14 pounds in there. So let's go around and see if we can find our leak. So it looks like it's leaking from right there. It looks like the hose clamp from the intercooler pipe on this turbo diesel, the bolt is poking at the radiator hose right here. Watch when I push on this. So we found the source of our leak using our trusty Harbor Freight radiator pressure tester. So we was able to successfully diagnose our coolant leak with this Harbor Freight pressure test kit. So if used properly, these tools can be used in order to diagnose issues with vehicles. This tool, I believe, was about $80 at Harbor Freight without a coupon. Not sure how much it is with the coupon, but I've diagnosed many coolant leaks with this tool, and it's not a bad tool. When I first purchased this tool, I bought it with the intention on upgrading to something better a little bit down the line, but I haven't upgraded since then because I really haven't had any vehicle where I couldn't diagnose a coolant leak. So what's the point of buying a different kit if I'm able to still achieve the same goal? So anyway, this is Brian916. Thanks for tuning in. Please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.